Make a great choice today with the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, CD player, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.